Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing some grass seed. I left it too late this year, should have done it in the spring. So this is where I've had a fire to burn some of the garden waste. As you can see, it's like concrete. So first of all, we're going to be preparing it before we actually sow the seeds. It's set up, sorry about this folks. So all you need to do for that, get your fork, like so. Probably 4 to 6 inches deep. Because that's the grass seed only grow probably 3 or 4 inches at the most. Yeah, you want to get down in there, get it all loosened up. Right, once it's had a good digging over, you get the rake on it, and then we just go for it. So break up any big clods, any big pieces. Take out any perennial weeds, if you don't want them to come back up. Yeah, and just get it as neat as we possibly can. Want to pick up any big stones, because they will obviously stop the grass from growing. Then once that's done like so, what you need to do then is just basically use your heels and get it all tapped down, like so. Once that's, get it tapped down, you want to just over the top again. If you get any dips, just level it out. Because this is just repairing a patch. Don't worry if you get some grass in it, it's not the end of the world. And then once you think it's pretty level, just give it a real light rake. You don't want to fluff it all up again. Right, that's that done. Right, so now all we're going to do is spread some grass seed on it. This is what I'm using, Edacare lawn seed with a unique seed coating for rapid growing, strong, healthy grass. Less watering, feeding, faster germination, quicker establishment, for use in all areas. It says here 40 square metres. So what you want to do is just simply use a cup for doing this. I just use my hands. Just want to gently, you don't want to put too much on. Just backwards and forwards. You can always add a little bit more. If you put too much on, good chance you're going to get dye back. It's going to rot too close together. Yeah, just nice like that. The reason you do it in the autumn is the weather's a lot wetter. It's not going to dry out as quick as it would do if it was in the summer. So yeah, once that's on like so, what you can do, not everybody does this, you can give it a really light rake then. Grass seed needs a little bit of light. You just want to make sure the birds don't get everything. And that's it. All I'll do now is give it a quick water. All I'll do now is just give it a little spray. You don't want to put too much on. Just make it damp. Just get rid of any air pockets. And that's it. The soil should be damp enough now to let that germinate. But yeah, there's several types of seed you can get, depending on what you're going to be using it for. Like you can get stuff for like under shade, bowling green stuff, which is really fine, but that takes a lot of looking after. And this is just a really good all-rounder. So if you've got any questions on how to sow your grass seed, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, folks, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.